Most landscaping business owners choose the wrong CRM for one simple reason. They buy software based on features instead of business goals. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best CRM for a landscaping company isn't the one with the longest feature list. It's the one that helps you book more work, manage crews efficiently, and keep customers coming back year after year. In this video, you'll learn exactly what makes a CRM great for landscaping businesses in 2026, which features matter most, and how to choose the right platform for your stage of growth. Let's jump right in. The first thing every landscaping business needs is organization. Whether you're handling lawn maintenance, hardscaping projects, irrigation services, or seasonal cleanups, customer information can quickly become difficult to manage. Imagine Alex owns a landscaping company with 5 crew members and over 200 active clients. Without a CRM, customer requests, property details, service schedules, and invoices end up scattered across spreadsheets, text messages, and notebooks. A good CRM brings everything together in one place. That's the first major benefit. But here's the problem. Many business owners think organization alone is enough. This is where most people fail. A landscaping CRM should do more than store customer information. It should help generate revenue. Now here's where it gets interesting. The most profitable landscaping companies don't just complete jobs. They build long-term customer relationships. For example, John hires your company for a spring cleanup. A few months later, he may need lawn maintenance. In the fall, he may need leaf removal. Next year he may want a patio installation. A strong CRM helps you stay connected with customers, so those opportunities don't slip away. That's a small adjustment that can create significant growth over time. In a minute, I'll show you the 4 features that matter most. But first, let's talk about scheduling. Landscaping businesses often manage recurring services, multiple crews, weather-related changes, and seasonal demand spikes. The ability to quickly adjust schedules and track jobs can save hours every week. That's why scheduling tools should be one of your top priorities when evaluating any CRM. Now let's look at the 4 core features every landscaping business should prioritize. First, customer management. Second, scheduling and crew coordination. Third, invoicing and payment collection. Fourth, customer communication and follow-up. If a CRM performs these 4 functions well, it can dramatically improve daily operations. But here's another mistake many companies make. They choose software that's either too basic or too complicated. Imagine Jake runs a small landscaping company with 2 employees. He may benefit from a simple, easy-to-use platform. A larger company managing multiple crews may need advanced reporting, routing, and workflow automation. The right CRM depends on your current business size and future growth plans. The bottom line is simple. The best CRM for landscaping businesses in 2026 is the one that helps you stay organized, improve efficiency, strengthen customer relationships, and support long-term growth. Don't focus on flashy features. Focus on solving your biggest business bottleneck. Now you're equipped to make a smarter software decision. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more landscaping business growth content, and let me know in the comments which CRM you're considering and what's most important for your business.